Alex Lambert from Ireland. Came to get my hair done in Vera Clinic. A lad from back home got it done in this clinic, so I looked into it and looked around a few places and I thought Vera Clinic was the right one for me. It was all through WhatsApp, so it was good too, you know. So yeah, the responses were very quick through that. There was a lot of information, ran me through everything that I needed to know, and yeah, that's why I thought that's who I'd go with. Yeah, they ran me through everything multiple times. It was very good. Everything that they went through, everything that I went through was top class, yeah. Once you're known, you don't feel anything, you know. I was only saying to the lads, I was singing in the chair with the nurses, so it was comfortable, yeah, it was very comfortable. Yeah, it was very good. Everything seemed to be of a high standard, you know. Put me at ease when seeing people like that, you know. So yeah, it was very good, very high. Too expensive in Ireland, you know. That's why everyone comes here, I think. But yeah, no, it's very good. It was very good. Even just from getting texts every couple of hours just to see how I was, information sent to me every couple of hours was good. And in here today, getting the first wash, it's good. Yeah, very good. Gave me a translator from the minute you walk in the door, so there's no hassle at all with. And so a lot of people can't understand my accent, you know. So it was good, you know. Definitely recommend this clinic, yeah, definitely. And just the procedure itself, it's not too bad, you know, it's not too bad. It actually, only a couple of months back there during the summer I was out, we were swimming in the sea and my girlfriend took a picture of me, went my head down and it looked like someone sprayed the top of my head with a kind of white spray paint, so that's what kind of pushed me over the edge, you know. But yeah, it was nervous coming, but look, you just you want to get it done, you should just do it, you know. And then, as I said, I got onto yourselves and it was very, there was a lot of information given. You were very helpful, yeah, so that put me at ease. And then again, coming to the clinic, seeing the clinic, very clean, very welcoming, again, it's good, it's good. The flight was good. It was shorter than expected. I thought it was 4.5 hours, only took 3.5, I think, so that was good. Hopefully it's the same going home now, you know. So, not on the plane for too long with a head like this. Come to Vera. Good luck.